We're looking at another smartwatch in this video, and the thing that caught my eye about this particular watch is that bezel-less design. Good afternoon, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your real life in style. We are unboxing the new Zepp E Circle, and I'm super excited because it looks so good on photos online, and I am personally a sucker for very pretty smartwatches. And if you remember, a while back I unboxed a Amazfit T-Rex in a moving car on the way to CES in Vegas when we could still go out in January when I last saw my boyfriend. Right, okay, so stay with me. Zep is a different product line from Amazfit, though Amazfit connects to their app, which has been renamed Zep. But both Amazfit and Zep wearables exist independently. The long and short of it is that both are from parent company Huami, and this will be relevant later on, but there is some sort of partnership going on between Xiaomi and Huami. So the new Zep watches, first of their line, are being marketed as wellness smartwatches. And there are two versions, a square and a round one. Of course, I got the round one because I'm not a square. But yes, let's get to the unboxing. Just by the photo and the package alone, that looks really good. It looks like a normal watch. So we have branding up there, Zep. That looks like it's almost all screen, doesn't it? What else do we have here? Some branding stuff, Zep E, Bluetooth 5, compatible with Android 5, iOS 10 or above. And then this has a smartwatch, the band, a charging base, and a manual. You barely see it, but there's a Zep branding on here. Nice. Wow, that's almost up to scale. We'll look at that watch a little later. Let's see what else is here. We have the charging dock. We have to rip it. I don't want to rip it. Okay, so that is the dock and a USB. I'm assuming manuals. Yeah, a really thick manual. What else is in here? Ooh, an extra strap. You actually have a longer strap for choice. Nice. Nothing else here. Let's check this out. It's not heavy. This is funny. That's actually a sticker for the face. That is a very nice, graceful look they did with the face. So there are no gold borders. It looks like it's all screen. We've yet to see if there are bezels because we haven't turned it on. The strap looks good. They look and feel like actual watch strap. Then I see the one and only button on the right side. Let's turn this on. Ooh, nice. Okay, so I'm gonna set this up, and meantime, I'm on Todd. Okay, so this is a very pretty thing. It comes in 4 different design/color variations, and I have the moon gray one, which has a gold body and a taupe strap. It's very stylish, and it's a type of watch that blends in with many different OOTD choices. It looks like a watch and not a smartwatch, if you know what I mean. That AMOLED display does give off that curved infinity display look, and it looks so good. But a change to a different colored watch face will show you actual bezels. So I'd suggest sticking to these watch faces which are dark or black, and no worries though, because there are so many different watch face options I love. And yes, there's an always on display option. These straps, they add to that everyday casual look this watch has. It looks good, but they don't look like they can withstand everyday life. Well, at least my everyday wear and tear. For one, I keep on doing this and sweating, and this band just doesn't look like it'll fare well with moisture. Though the watch itself, it's waterproof. And there are different sport band options on their websites, and a quick look at the colors will show you that they all look so cute and yummy. I approve. So actually, it was pretty easy to pair this and set it up. After I turned it on, I scanned that barcode, I'm using my iPhone here, and it downloaded the app automatically. Interestingly, I was able to sign in using my Me account. Yes, the same Me account that's connected to all my smart home things. And it brings you to this homepage which lists the data the watch will track. Take note that it also tracks the PAI score. We saw this on the Mi Band 5, and in a nutshell, it's a score from your stats so you have an overall value of your activities. Yeah, watch my Mi Band 5 video for more info on that. And speaking of Mi things, yes, you can sync Mi stuff here like that Mi Band or your Mi scale, shoes, a treadmill. You can even pair Amazfit earphones or their Zen Buds, which is basically these earphones they made that are specially designed to aid you in your sleep. I like it because you can set it up in a way so that the data you get on your fitness and wellness does not come from just this wearable. It then becomes an all-around health and wellness tracking system. The watch itself is responsive, and depending on the watch face too, you can customize what stats are shown. Swipe down for a quick menu, swipe up for notifications, and swipe either to the left or right to cycle through the quick access menu that you can also customize. This button on the right you press to get to the other stuff, and the long press on this button is also reprogrammable. Oh, of course, there's also a Find My Phone option, which I always like. Aside from the PAI score, this thing can track steps, your sleep score complete with sleep stages, and even daytime naps, because who doesn't like napping? Continuous heart rate monitoring with, at the very least, 1-minute frequencies. It can track your blood oxygen saturation, which is what we also call SpO2, a feature we've all been looking for in smartwatches recently. There's also stress monitoring that's supposed to arrive in an update, so that means I can actually check on my stress levels and not rely on my face and pimple breakouts to know that I'm under an immense level of stress. And 11 different sports modes. This includes outdoor stuff like cycling or running, and it has connected GPS, meaning it can track where you are while exercising if you have a phone with you connected. On the smartphone side of things, notifications from your smartphone is available, but it doesn't seem like you can respond via the watch. There is a music control function which allows you to control the music from your phone on your wrist, because with everything spiraling these days, God knows we need some semblance of control. What? Now, there's a version of this watch that has NFC, but this version, unfortunately, does not. According to Zep, this smartwatch should last you 7 days of battery with normal smartwatch use. On normal watch mode, meaning it's just a watch, it can last up until 15 days. We're gonna have to check that out in an actual review to confirm. And that was our first look at the Zepp E Circle. This watch is now available in the US and in the UK at $250 and £209 respectively. It's definitely a smartwatch that starts strong with how it looks. Something you can wear every day casually with a lot of different outfits. That bezel-less look just looks amazing, well, until you change your watch face to a colorful one. The health features look well-rounded, and I love how it's able to integrate other Mi devices. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. Also, let me know if a full review on this smartwatch is something you'd like to watch. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, you can find me online. That's @CisaSaid. Until next time, get it? Bye!